Good morning, guys. So today's little adventure, I'm off to Paris, France, and I'm doing Disneyland Paris. Now, that's 2 parks in 1 day, flying from Birmingham and back again, all in the same day. So it's going to be a bit of a rush. So let's see how this goes. I'll show you how to get from Charles de Gaulle Airport to Disneyland using the train. So yeah, this should be good, should be fun. So let's go. Well, and just like that, guys, we made altitude, had a Coca-Cola and a muffin, listened to a few grooves on my phone, and we're coming into land. So, pretty straightforward, painless, lovely. So let's see where we go from here. See you in a bit. So, behind me is passport control. We're just going to go right and just head down here. So we're just going to go straight now, and it is a bit of a walk, so I'll speed things up a little bit. And here to the left, you've got your baggage carousel, so if you're waiting for a suitcase, it's going to pop out over here. And now just keep going straight down here, just following the overhead signs where it says exit. On this overhead sign, we've got train station and turn right. So we've got nothing to declare, so we're going straight through here. So up the top there on the left, there's your train station, so we're going left. We're going to head straight down here to the escalators and go up to the next level. Another sign there just in the middle saying train station straight on. So before we carry on, we'll just go over here and have a quick chat. Bonjour, vive la France, merci, je m'appelle David. That's about as far as my French goes. So, right, hopefully I'm going to be showing you when you leave passport control, and we're going to head now straight to the train station. We're going to purchase a ticket and we're going to get on the train straight to Disneyland. So come on, let's go. So there's a sign for trains, heading straight forward. Going to speed things up a little bit again, as it is quite a long walk. I would say after leaving the aeroplane, it's probably about 15 minutes walk. And signposted again up there is train station, keep going straight. And as you get to the last moving walkway, the escalators now we've got to go down. And it's here up on the sign above saying train station to the right. So we'll just walk down here and we'll head over to the escalators and head downstairs. So straight down these escalators and straight across to the other escalators right in front of us. And we're going to head down again. So when you get down the escalators, you've got some TV screens here and you're looking for Man Leverly. So now we're going to download the Trainline app, and once it's downloaded we can open the app up and we can look for our trains. So we're leaving from Charles de Gaulle Airport and we're going to Marne Valley, and you want the next available train. And as soon as that comes up, you're going to use your mobile payment and you're ready to go. So now we're going to go right and we're going to go over towards these doors. There's another TV screen just up here to the right. Here it'll tell you on the screen what platform it's on. So platform is at the end of the name. So in our case it was 6, and now you just have to wait for the attendants to let you through. They'll scan your ticket and you just go straight down to the platform where you need to go to. Sometimes it's not obvious, so just ask the guy who's scanning the ticket and he'll show you where to go. So there you go, platform 6, Marne Valley, Chessy. I am not sure which cabin I get in though, because there's nothing on the ticket. So I'm just going to have to take a chance and just get in any cabin. But I couldn't have picked a better day. It's absolutely beautiful.
The result was so bad. Oh my god.
I'm going to need to get my sunglasses out. This is lovely. But it should take about 12 minutes apparently. Straight into Disney. Job's a good one. So here's the train. Standing room only. Very busy. But it's only 10 minutes, 12 minutes, so we'll soon be there. That's so exciting. Yeah, we're here. Now I've just got to find my way out. Find out how you get to Disney. I think I can see some escalators down there, and I think that's the way. So I believe we go right, but let's get out and let's get some sunlight. Yay! We made it! Nice. And as you come right out, I think back there is Disney Village. So let's walk down here and let's have a look. And right here is the entrance to Walt Disney Studios, Disneyland Park and Disney Village. So that's the security where we've just come out of. There's Disneyland Park straight in front of us. To the left we have Walt Disney Studios, and to the left and behind we have Disneyland Village. Thanks for watching guys, really much appreciate it, and I hope this has helped someone. Catch you in the next one.